What's up, y'all? All right, in this video, I'm going to show y'all how I make my DIY onion and ginger juice for my hair. Like, ever since I started using this on my hair, man, I've been noticing reduced breakage, more hair growth. My hair has been a lot easier to untangle. I mean, it's just been amazing. And the way I go about combating the smell is by using my whole essential oil kit. Let me just show y'all real quick my essential oils. I got, oh, hold up. And let me get this batch out the way. Okay. I got peppermint oil, orange oil, lavender oil, lemongrass oil. Yeah, I want y'all to see it. Okay. Cinnamon oil. And lastly, one of my top favorites, tea tree oil. And all these oils work together to combat that nasty smell of onions. I usually prefer to use red onions, but you know, this time around I ran out, so I just used what I had, the white onions. See? And I only use half. I only use half of an onion. Then I go a little extra heavy with the ginger, because the ginger also helps to cover up a big chunk of that nasty onion smell that I truly hate. And on the end, I'm going to put it in this spray bottle. Now later on in the video, y'all can understand why I use the funnel. But now let's get to it. Shall we? We shall. Alrighty. Let's cut up these onions. Oh. No, this is the bad part. Okay, that needs to go. It needs to go. It needs to go. Okie dokie. I found another bad one. Now I'm getting ready to put these cut up onions in the blender. You don't necessarily need a blender to make this DIY recipe. I mean, you can use a grater. You can even like cook it up on the stove or whatever. You know, make it like that. I personally prefer to use a blender because it's much easier and quicker that way. But this blender is a time saver, y'all. And with me, you know, doing a lot more cooking, making more smoothies than usual, doing more of everything than ever before, I use this blender a lot. A lot. Okie dokie. Next step. Let's peel the skin off the ginger. Okay, hold up. Oh, wait. One thing about these onions is they burn my eyes a little bit. Where are the goggles when I need them? No, don't burn my eyes that bad. Besides, I'm a trooper. I can handle it. Same way as my first rodeo with making this DIY product anyway. It's going to be my third rodeo. So, I already know what to expect. Oh, yeah, I don't need no goggles. The only time I need goggles is when I'm going swimming. But with this coronavirus pandemic, shoot, you're better off going swimming in your own backyard if you have a swimming pool in there, whether it's an underground pool or an inflatable pool. Shoot, I ain't trying to go swim in a public pool. At least not until this pandemic dies down. Now, am I paranoid about it? No, I'm not one of those people who are like paranoid over the coronavirus. I just remain extra cautious. You know, I don't go out as much as before. I don't kick it with as many people as I used to. I haven't been hosting events lately out of concern over the COVID. Yes. Yeah, this quarantine, you know, got me making a lot more DIY products than usual. And to top it off, you know, I'm very cautious of what I put in my hair. Because, you know, what you put in your hair can also affect your overall health. And I'm not knocking those, you know, store-bought potions and creams. And I said the word good on your hair. I just prefer to make some of these hair treatments myself in the comfort of my home because at least I know what's going in there. And I know what's going in my hair. And DIY hair products are the best type of products to put in your hair because it's all natural. It's free of chemicals. That could give you cancer. And another thing I haven't told y'all about me is that cancer runs in my family. I've lost 4 female relatives to cancer. So, I'm definitely a little more cautious than the average person when it comes to what I put in my hair as well as my body. I'm not as cautious as I should be with my family history. And some of y'all who follow me on Facebook and are part of my diehard food lovers group, y'all know I love to eat and I don't always eat healthy. I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it a buck. Alrighty. Now that the ginger is all cut up, it's going in the blender. In the blender it goes. Ooh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Now I'm going to put this cup of water in there. See, you don't really have to use water to make this DIY product, but I choose to because it also makes cleaning up the blender after making this treatment a whole lot easier. Alrighty. So, yeah, it's about enough water. One more thing. Gotta put my essential oils in there to help mask that obnoxious smell coming from the onions. Whoo, yes. Yeah, don't mind the background noise. I don't live here by myself. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. Okay, that's about enough of the cinnamon oil. Next. Oh, another thing about the essential oils is they help with hair growth as well. So, all these ingredients are working together to serve the same purpose for my hair. Ooh, alrighty. And don't mind the background noise. Now, what y'all finna get into today? I plan to go to work, possibly cook dinner. See, I've been having a taste for some Puerto Rican food because lately I've been eating like soul food, Mexican, a little bit of Italian. I've been eating a little bit of everything. But another one of my culture foods. And because y'all know I'm Puerto Rican and black. So, if I'm not eating soul food or any other type of food I like, definitely munching on some Puerto Rican food. And my man, he loves it when I cook Puerto Rican food for him. I'm like, oh, yes. But like they say, a way through a man's heart. Well, a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. And yeah, he likes my cooking. But anyway, enough about all that. At least I'll be well prepared, by the time the kids come. Because the last thing I want is to have to, take them over to McDonald's and be like, oh, McDonald's, can I get a Happy Meal? No Happy Meals in this house. Not when I know how to cook. And if your daddy know how to cook, too. Them kids will not go hungry. Trust and believe. Come out, tea tree. Come out. All the other oils that came out more freely. I need you to come out more freely. Okie dokie. Ooh. Now, let's put a little bit more water up in here. Just a little bit. That's enough. Now let's get to blending. It's already plugged in. Oh, hold up. It just dawned on me. And there's one thing I forgot. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back to get it. Oh, man. Why does this have to happen? Hold on, y'all. In fact, let me pause this video real quick. All right, y'all. I'm back. Alrighty. Yeah, I just had to get the nut milk bag because, you got to strain this juice to make sure none of the particles land in your hair. This is going to be like hell on earth trying to get that removed from your hair when it's time to wash it. It'll be a cold day in hell before I slip up like that on wash day. For real. Because it'll be like a nightmare. Now, when you find yourself smelling more of the essential oils than the actual onions, that's when you know the essential oils done did its job. I wouldn't say by 100%. I would say more like by 90%. And that is good enough. Alrighty. Oh, hold up real quick. Whew. And let me show y'all how to strain this thing out using the nut milk bag. Happy squeezing. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. It's actually easier squeezing out this juice than it is squeezing out the aloe vera. I'm already almost done squeezing this stuff out, which is muy bueno. Alrighty. Now, if y'all need a nut milk bag, y'all can just get it on Amazon for cheap. Here's still some. Come on. Come out. Another way to get some more of the product out is to like twist it around some. Let me show y'all. Y'all know I don't like to waste nothing. Alrighty. Man, looky. Now it's gonna go in the spray bottle. Now I'm gonna use the funnel to avoid an unwanted mess. I'm putting the stuff in the bottle. Boom. Now that's how you make onion and ginger juice for your hair. Now if y'all like this how-to video, and it helped y'all in any way possible, feel free to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. There's plenty more coming up. Alrighty, take care and be blessed, y'all. Peace.